friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss about iCloud app integration with Windows 11. Microsoft is updating the Photographs apps interface and integrating a new iCloud feature at the same time. This will let iPhone and iPad users see and manage their photos and movies on Windows 11 from a single interface. Although the installation of the iCloud app on Windows 11 makes the integration less than ideal, once everything is set up, your photos and videos will get their own section in the Photos app. Please subscribe my channel and like videos. This tutorial will show you how to link the Photos app on Windows 11 to the iCloud service. Connect iCloud to Photos app on Windows 11. To connect iCloud to the Photos app, use these steps. Open Photos on Windows 11. Click on iCloud Photos. If the option isn't available, open the Settings page and turn on the Show iCloud Photos toggle switch. Click the Get iCloud for Windows button. Click the Get or Install button to install the app. Click the Open iCloud for Windows button in the Photos app. Sign in with your Apple credentials. You may access your media via the specific iCloud Photos tab on the left navigation pane once you have linked the Photos app to iCloud. Your iCloud media will show up with your local and OneDrive media if you select the All Photos tab. Each picture will have an iCloud symbol if the attribute feature is turned on so you can see where the file is stored. For devices enrolled in the Dev channel, the integration is already previewable with the Photos app version 2022. The updated version of the app is anticipated to be released by the business in October or early November along with the first feature drop for Windows 11 22H2. Please subscribe my channel and like videos.